teaching English to the masses. Anytime you want, you can come to classes. Glad that we're here together. Rain, sleet, or snow, we can learn in any weather. In your home or on the go. English language learning with Mr. O.
Making new friends at university. Sophia was excited yet nervous on her first day at university. She had moved to a new city to study engineering, leaving behind her family and friends. As she entered her first class, she noticed students chatting and forming groups. Sophia felt a bit shy. She didn't know anyone. During the break, Sophia decided to introduce herself to the person sitting next to her. "Hi, I'm Sophia," she said with a smile. The student, named Alex, smiled back. "Nice to meet you, Sophia. Are you new here?" Sophia nodded. "Yes, I just moved here for university. It's my first day." Alex was friendly and introduced Sophia to his friends. They talked about their majors, hobbies, and where they were from. Sophia learned that some were also new to the city, and others had grown up nearby. Throughout the semester, Sophia made an effort to attend student events and join study groups. She found that participating in clubs related to her interests, like robotics and hiking, helped her meet more people. Sophia also volunteered at university events, where she met students from different departments and made friends with similar passions. By the end of her first year, Sophia had a close group of friends. They studied together, explored the city, and supported each other during exams. Sophia was grateful for her university experience and the friends she had made. She realized that stepping out of her comfort zone and being open to new friendships had enriched her university life in ways she hadn't imagined.